Hello everybody and welcome to episode 2 of the Atom product tutorial series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install your Atom VersaLite can lights. So first, of course, we're going to need them. You can get them either from the link in the description, or you can go into your toolbox and search Atom VersaLite. It's L-I-T-E, and insert that into your workspace. As you can see, you have a lot of configuration options for this one. So we have different, here I'm going to flip them this way so it's easier to see. First we have our little recessed socket here. We have different light bulbs, or light switch, and then of course a bunch of different trim plates. Ooh, auto-saved. And then our cutout for the ceiling. First, let's actually get a ceiling in here. There we go. Oh, I can't really do that. There we go. Alright. And let's see. Move these upside down. And first thing you want to do, of course, is ungroup them by doing Control U. And as you can see, that ungroups basically everything here. So now you just have a bunch of stuff everywhere. Okay. So let's see what kind of different lights we have. We have our incandescent clear bulb, incandescent bulb, and then just a normal bulb. Our recessed fixture, and then all that stuff I already talked about. So for setup, we'll just go with our little default guy here. If you wanted to change the fixtures, you can just move them to wherever your light is, and then delete the old one, like that. Well, there's more to it than that. It's this. You gotta delete that. There we go. See, you can just do that. Pretty easy. So, let's get rid of all these other covers, because I'm not gonna be wanting those. I don't want that. But what I do want is this bulb, because I think that the incandescent bulb looks pretty cool. So in order to do that, we're gonna go into our light group here. And we have our Atom recess fixture. Open that, and in here you can see bulb. I'm going to delete that. Then we're going to take our other bulb, drag that into the recess fixture group, and then we can move that up and into there. Make sure that's all centered. Perfect. So you can see we have that bulb in there now. So what we can do from here is actually put it in the ceiling. So let's put it very close. Let's put it right above the breaker panel. How about that? If you want to see how to set up your breaker panel, visit episode 1. But I'll link that in a little card in the top. But first, we need to take our cutout, and we need to put a hole in the ceiling. It just makes it look a lot better. So we're going to drag that up, like that. There we go. And then we're going to select the ceiling, and then union it through the Models tab. And there you go, there's now a hole in the ceiling. Now you can drag your light up into the ceiling. I am sorry about all the notifications. I don't know why I'm getting so many. Oh my gosh, be quiet. Hold on, I'm gonna put this on Do Not Disturb. Stupid. Jesus Christ. Alright, there we go. Alright, so now that our light is in the ceiling, let's move our light switch, which you can do just by selecting light switch, and moving this down. We'll move it right next to the breaker panel for simplicity. And then you can move that against the wall or wherever the heck you want your light switch. You can put it on the ceiling for all I care. Well, you can see it's there now. Let's hook it up to a breaker. First, open your breaker panel and go to the breakers thing. So you have all your breakers right here. And last episode, I set this one as the VersaLite. Why is she vacuuming? Alright, so I'll rename this to VersaLite just to make it easy. We're going to select on the breaker value here, and then in properties we're going to click on value and then go down and select the VersaLite breaker. So now they're linked. Easy as that. So extra configuration for this, there's a little configuration thing right here where you can change the warm color by just changing that right here if you wanted to. But now that that's set up, let's go ahead and test it. It should work. It's not really that difficult to set up, honestly. Now I'm getting pinged on Discord. Great. And turn it on. There we go. Light is on. And let's take a look if we open our breaker panel and turn off the breaker. Yep, light turns off. Does it work with the main breaker? Yes, it does. Alright, there you go. That's pretty much it. It's pretty basic setup, honestly. Can't really screw it up. So, if you guys found this helpful, make sure to like. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.